Okay, welcome to the unboxing of the Meatrol Mi550 energy logger. So we've got the warning label for the batteries, and if we open up the box, let's take it out. It's protected with this plastic, and we can take it out like this, and it comes with a very nice sturdy aluminum carrying case that you can take to site and carry around. And if we open it up, you can see the meter on the left here. And nicely protected with a bag. And if we take it out like this, you can see it there. It comes with a kickstand, so you can stand up like that, and all your connections is up here. So it comes with these very nice Rogowski coils. So if you take it out, you can see these coils are flexible, so it's easy to install. Just wrap it around your conductor and click it in, and your conductor goes in there. And it's color coded to your country, so you can match the Rogowski coil with the input port. So you can see here's the current ports, and it also comes with leads for voltage sensing. So if you take it out here, you can see here's all the leads for sensing the voltage. So it's five leads for your three phases, neutral and earth. So your leads are also all color coded according to your country or region, and it's just clicks in here. And on the other side you can put in crocodile clamps like this, or magnetic clamps. So instead of the crocodile clamp, you can use these magnetic clips, and this can just attach to the screw of your breaker, which is quite easy for it to sense the voltage. Okay, so that's your 5 voltage sensing leads and your 4 current sensing leads for your 3 phases and neutral. So it also comes with a SD card that you can use to download the data. On the side here you can just put it in there and download the data. And also comes with a power supply. So it just plugs in there, and there's your power. So you can plug this in or just connect it to your voltage supply. And also it comes with a network cable. So it just plugs in there, and there you're able to read all the values of the meter over the network through Modbus over TCP/IP. And also it's got a very nice carrying strap. So yeah, a very nice logger to use to determine energy load profiles or energy usage over time, or problems with your installation. Great, that's it. Thank you very much.